probably about 27, 28, somewhere in there.
This is a really great sign though, because prior to that, a lot of these deck drains were clogged and weren't functional. This is telling us that they're all working now, so that's part of the repair work that went on. All right, Joe. SK antenna was destroyed and blown away during Hurricane Carla during the 1990 restoration. They created that very accurate, and by now, actually within the last several months, there was a significant amount of corrosion discovered on it, and so they actually they torched it, cut it. Insulation. They found out when this ship was in dry dock back 2 summers ago, they had torn up a bunch of the decking there toward the bow, and actually just ahead, down one deck in front of the turret 1 is where the officers' wardroom is, where the officers ate their meals. And once they tore the deck up, that Texas sun, they measured it, heated that room. Oh yeah, let me tell you, my survival for 25 years is always looking at